cultural heritage is concerned in terms of the history. My Lord, just like any other cultural heritage, we have our origin. History tells us vividly that the Kumams were originated from Abyssinia, the present place, Ethiopia, in about the 17th century. And they came as the Ateke group, my Lord. This was because of circumstances beyond their own making, my Lord. To mention but a few: need for pasture since they were pastoralists, need for vacant places to cultivate since they were farmers. My Lord, it was not doubt that they left steadily but slowly, and they came up to Uganda. When they came to Uganda, my Lord, we see that they moved slowly but steadily, and they went up to, that is the Karamoja region, at a place called Otuke. When they were there, my Lord, these people were so much courageous, my Lord. We see that when the Luo migrated to that side, there was a bit of intermarriage. My Lord, after the intermarriage, we see that a new race was born. Kumam. That's who we are. My Lord, slowly we see that since they were visionary, they were men and women of fantasy, men and women of visions. They had the tenacity, they had the temerity, the confidence and the audacity. My Lord, they moved slowly and they went up to Soroti, the present place called Soroti City. Kumam. My Lord, with the audacity and capacity as for me, after they reached there, my Lord, we see that they had to disperse themselves into various districts. Districts like Soroti, Kalaki, Amalata, Kabelebaido, and other parts of Serere. My Lord, these people are people of generosity. My Lord, they are people of kind hearts. When it came to greeting, my God, you will not leave Kumam just like that. That was how we used to do it. And besides that, we would treat our visitors with a lot of care in terms of food. We had food items such as the cowpeas leaves, which is very, very delicious. If you taste it, oh, my Lord. Besides that, we also have a local food called boyo. I think it's even hard for scientists to translate the name because it is so fantasizing. My Lord, besides that, we also used to eat, we eat what is called kuon. Kuon, yes. That's what we eat. So that is why when you see us, we are strong. We are strong. Kumam. My Lord, when it came to games, like any other cultural